Hello everyone. Welcome to English Listening. Don't forget to subscribe to improve your English now. Today I want to tell you about the place I want to visit. I want to visit New York City because it is a great place for shopping. There are many big stores, small shops, and market. A place I want to visit, New York City. There are many beautiful and exciting places in the world, but the place I want to visit the most is New York City, USA. It is one of the most famous cities in the world. Many people call it the city that never sleeps because it is always busy and full of life. I have seen many pictures and videos of New York, and I dream of visiting this amazing city one day. Why I want to visit New York? I want to visit New York because it is a city full of famous landmarks, exciting places, and interesting people. It has big skyscrapers, beautiful parks, busy streets, and many fun things to do. I have heard many stories about New York, and I want to see everything with my own eyes. Another reason I want to visit New York is because it is a place of dreams and opportunities. Many people go to New York to follow their dreams in business, art, music, and acting. I think visiting this city will inspire me to work hard and follow my own dreams. Famous places I want to see. There are many famous places in New York, and I want to visit all of them. Some of the most famous places are: 1. Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Liberty is one of the most famous symbols of the USA. It is a big green statue that stands on an island. It was a gift from France to the USA a long time ago. I want to take a boat to the statue and see it up close. It is a symbol of freedom and hope. 2. Times Square. Times Square is a very bright and colorful place. It has big screens, flashing lights, and many people walking around. Many movies and TV shows show Times Square because it is so busy and exciting. I want to stand in the middle of Times Square and take lots of pictures. 3. Central Park. Central Park is a big park in the middle of New York City. It has beautiful trees, lakes, and walking paths. I want to walk around, see the birds, and enjoy the fresh air. In the winter, people can even go ice skating in Central Park. 4. Empire State Building. The Empire State Building is one of the tallest buildings in New York. It has 102 floors. I want to go to the top of the building and look at the whole city from above. The view must be amazing. 5. Brooklyn Bridge. The Brooklyn Bridge is a very famous bridge that connects two parts of New York. Many people walk or ride bikes on it. I want to walk across the bridge and see the beautiful view of the city. 6. Broadway. Broadway is the place where you can watch the best theater shows and musicals in the world. I love music and acting, so I really want to see a Broadway show when I visit New York. 7. Museums. New York has many great museums. Some of the most famous ones are the Metropolitan Museum of Art, the Met. It has beautiful paintings and sculptures. The American Museum of Natural History. It has dinosaur bones and amazing history exhibits. The Museum of Modern Art, MoMA. It has art from famous artists like Van Gogh and Picasso. I love learning about history and art, so I want to visit these museums. The food in New York. New York has many delicious foods from all over the world. Some of the most famous foods I want to try are New York pizza. It is thin, crispy, and very tasty. Bagels. New York bagels are soft and chewy. People eat them with cream cheese or smoked salmon. Hot dogs. Street vendors sell hot dogs everywhere in New York. It is a classic food to try. Cheesecake. New York-style cheesecake is very creamy and sweet. Pretzels. Soft pretzels are a popular snack in New York. New York has food from many different countries. So I can also try Chinese, Italian, Mexican, Indian, and many other types of food. Shopping in New York. New York is a great place for shopping. There are many big stores, small shops, and markets. Some of the best places for shopping are Fifth Avenue. This street has expensive and luxury stores. Times Square stores. Many big brand stores are here. Chinatown, a great place to buy souvenirs and traditional items. Flea markets. These markets have unique and interesting things to buy. I want to buy souvenirs, clothes, and gifts for my family and friends. Meeting people in New York. New York is a very international city. People from all over the world live there. I want to meet new people, talk to them, and learn about their lives. I also want to practice speaking English with native speakers. This will help me improve my English skills. How I plan to visit New York. Visiting New York is my dream, and I want to make it come true. To visit New York, I need to 1. Save money. Traveling to New York is expensive, so I need to save money for my trip. 2. Get a visa and passport. I need to make sure I have the right documents to travel. 3. Plan my trip. I will make a list of all the places I want to visit. 4. Book a flight and hotel. I need to find a good place to stay. 5. Learn about the city. I will read travel guides and watch videos to prepare for my trip. My dream of visiting New York. Visiting New York will be a dream come true for me. I want to explore the city, see the famous places, eat delicious food, meet new people, and take many pictures. New York is full of life, culture, and excitement. It is a city of dreams and opportunities. I hope that one day I will be able to visit this amazing place and have the best experience of my life. Until then, I will keep dreaming and preparing for my future trip to New York City. Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe for more.